So if you are still relying on Dribble or Pinterest for web design inspirations in 2025, I mean, come on. So it's not that they are bad. They had their time, but honestly, most of the stuff you find there today is either too aesthetic focused, super unrealistic, or just static eye candy. And that doesn't really help you when you are trying to build real websites that actually work. So in this video, let me walk you through my top 4 websites that I personally use for inspirations, whether it's for my own creative projects or for client work. And trust me, once you start using this, you will probably not going back. So at number 1, it's Framer Marketplace. Now, technically, Framer is a no-code website builder, but the goldmine is in their marketplace. You see tons of top designers, agencies upload their complete websites here as a template. You can, if you go to their marketplace section, you can clearly see there are tons of different kinds of templates. Even though you can buy them, that's not why I use this website. I come here to just explore. If we can open any website, like you can say we open this template, and however this template is paid, and there are bunch of free templates as well, but we are here for inspirations. So we can click on the preview button and you can see how beautiful this website is. There is just smooth scroll, animations, clean design, and it's just so modern, you can say. It's just perfect. The website is so smooth, clean, minimalistic, and it's a great starting point. And if you want inspiration for your personal or your client projects, it's a great starting point in my point of view. So if even if you are not using Framework for building, I think their marketplace is just really great for inspiration. And I personally use their marketplace all the time to search around different niches, to explore different websites, to interact with the animations and all of that stuff. So let's go to number 2. At number 2, we have Landbook. So this one is like a classic, but still super underrated. Landbook is basically a curated gallery of modern websites. You can filter by categories, industries, colors, typography, style, and even layouts. But what I really like is that they show you specific sections. Like if you go to their sections tab, you have bunch of sections, hero section, value proposition, features, how it works, and there are also filters in this section. You can explore any section that you want. If I can show you an example of value proposition, because it's a very niche section. Just suppose you like this section, they have also given us a URL so we can uh, see that section in real time. You can just look around to this website to find your section that you like, and you can easily take inspiration or mimic them for your project and for your person or for your client projects. So they are super interactive and just give a modern vibe. So for the main benefit for having a URL to your favorite website that you can clearly observe them. You can clearly see what's happening, and you cannot do that in like Dribble or Pinterest where you have only static images. You cannot see what's happening or interact with the website. So at number 3, it's dark mode design. So this one is kind of niche, but I really love it. As the name suggests, it's purely focused on dark themed websites. So if you are planning to go for the sleek, moody web vibe in your project, I think this is the place. The site listed here are super clean and modern. They are providing consistent level of quality, which I really appreciate. I think only downside from other two websites is that they don't have much filtering or even not a single filtering, you can say. There is no filter system. So yeah, you will need to scroll around a bit and you need to scroll to find your desired website. I think so it can be hectic sometime, but like if you want to see the website in real time, you gotta work for it, and it's a great website if you want to see this really specific dark mode designs. So if you really like dark UI like me, then you will find a lot of gems here, and it will really elevate your creativity or inspirations. At number four, it's Webflow Marketplace. So it's kind of similar to Framer, but obviously based on the Webflow ecosystem. And again, you are not here to buy templates. You are here to explore how designers are thinking, and because Webflow gives so much creative freedom, you will find some really creative solutions, especially in terms of layout, micro interactions, and responsiveness. There are a bunch of templates listed here. So I usually browse by, you can say, category or industry. There are a bunch of categories, like you can say education, arts and entertainment, blogs, you can create blogs, or restaurants or government, or like there are so much categories in there. You can build a SaaS portfolio agency. You will find almost most of the niches here, and just take you can take notes on what catches your eyes. So I think their typography combos, image treatments, and button hovers, they are just so great in their websites. You can even clone some of them for free if you are into Webflow. But even if not, it's an amazing resource to observe real world executions. These are my four go-to websites whenever I am starting a new project or just feeling stuck creatively. They have helped me save so much time and even pitch better ideas to my ideal clients. And again, you don't have to use just one. Mix and match. You maybe use two of them, use all of them, and it will really help you out. You can bookmark these websites so you don't forget them in the future. So if you have got any other underrated website that you personally use, feel free to drop them in the comments. I would love to check them out too. So that's it from my side. Catch you out in the next one.